Mon Temple people, Mon Temple monks came to my place with the dana, with the breakfast, with the lunch, right? I'm very happy to see some of faces I recognize. I would like to thank and bless wonderful monks and all the Mon people, Burmese and other group of people from Broadway. Now, we have three Buddhist temples. This is Buddhist temple, other one is Fort Wayne, Indiana, other one is in Los Angeles, California. I am stay 1 month here, 1 month Fort Wayne, 1 month Los Angeles, and other months in Sri Lanka. I like to bless and thank your venerable monks and all our Samanera venerables and parents, brothers and sisters. I like to bless all of you. Now I am going to recite Pali chanting Pali Gathas. Before you will listen blessing, please sit in a comfortable position. If you like, slowly close your eyes with a smile and breathing your blessing kind. Please share in kindness thought yourself, your family members, and others. Okay? I will bless all of you kindly, especially our monks. Okay? Sambitiyo vivanjantu sambero vinansetu mate bhavanvante rayo sukhi diga yuko bhavatu sambha mangalam rakhantu sambha devata sambha buddhanu bhavena sada santi bhavantu te bhavatu sambha mangalam rakhantu sambha devata sambha dhammanu bhavena sada sati bhavantu te bhavatu sambha mangalam rakhantu sambha devata sambha sanghan bhavena sada santi bhavantu te Nakantayakka bhutanam papanga nivarana parintansan bhavena antu tesang upandave. Expression for the good friends. Imina punya kamene mame bala samagamu satang samagamotu yava nibbana pantiya. Salutation to loving mother and father. Dasma sevre kanva posese buddhikaranam ayudigam vassa satam madhupadam namah උද්ධිකාරෝ අලිංගිත්වා චුම්බිත්වා පිය පුත්තකං රාජ මංජං සුපතිත්තං පීතුපාදං නමഃ. May our teachers, may our and your teachers, loving mother, loving father, always be well, happy and peaceful. Venerable monks and dear devotees, may you be well, happy and peaceful. May you have good luck, good health, happiness and long life. May the Holy Triple Gem, Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha and all the spiritual beings always be with you and protect you. Good luck. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.